Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a quick but useful look at the BlackVue DR770X-2CH II cam, a premium dual-channel solution built for drivers who care about clarity and security. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this dash cam at the best price in the market. This model records in full HD from both the front and rear, with the front camera running at a smooth 60 frames per second, which really helps capture small details like license plates and road signs during fast motion. One of the biggest strengths here is the Sony STARVIS sensor, which noticeably improves night footage and low-light visibility, making recordings usable when many cheaper cameras fail. The built-in Wi-Fi makes video playback simple, letting you review clips directly on your phone without removing the memory card. And when paired with BlackVue Cloud, you also get remote live view, GPS tracking, and instant notifications, which is great for added peace of mind when you are away from your car. Installation is also well thought out thanks to the USB-C power connection, keeping the setup modern and tidy, and the fast boot time ensures the camera starts recording almost immediately when you start the car. Parking mode is another highlight, automatically recording impacts or motion while your vehicle is parked, with a pre-event buffer that captures what happened just before an incident. Storage flexibility is excellent too, with support up to 1 terabyte, meaning fewer worries about important clips being overwritten, especially during long parking sessions. On the downside, this is not a budget dash cam, and features like LTE connectivity require optional accessories, which adds to the cost. However, for drivers who want reliable footage, strong app support, and advanced safety features in one package, the overall value makes sense. To see current deals, storage options, and availability, check the link in the description below and decide if the BlackVue DR770X-2CH II is the right upgrade for your car.